So I've only ridden the bike around 10 miles. Basically it's just to the MOT and back, but one thing I did notice was the front brakes are really bad, like to the point of barely functioning. Now it's got used EBC double H pads on it, which I know have a bit of a bed in time, but I wouldn't have thought it was as bad as this. You can see the scoring on the disc where they're obviously not making full contact just yet. But if I think there might be another problem, so if you go around this side and put a light on it, you can see on this disc on the left side, if you run your finger across it, it's covered in what looks like brake dust, but it's also like greasy as well. Like it's got some sort of oil on it. So pretty sure the brakes aren't leaking fluid or anything like that, and the pistons are fine. I cleaned all them out before, but the EBC pads that I put on it were actual used ones, and I took them out another set of calipers. Now, I remember the calipers having what looked like dried in coolant stains on them, so what I'm thinking is the calipers have actually been on a bike that's crashed, they've been soaked in coolant, and I'm not sure if it's maybe affected like the friction material, so I'm going to get the pads out, take a look at them, might stick them on the bench grinder, obviously get some brake cleaner on here and see if I can clean off whatever this look at the state of that. Clean this off and then see if that improves anything. There is some mixed feedback online about EBC pads, but I'm hoping it's recoverable because I don't want to have to buy more pads. It'll just be a bit of a waste of money, especially when it's meant to be on a budget after all. So the pads ended up looking like this. You can see the area that's been in contact, but it does, you can see it more on this one. You can see it's like totally glazed around these bits, so maybe they are just bedding in on the disc, and that's why I can see it looks like the central area has not made contact at all. And maybe the brake dust from here is migrating onto there, and that's why they're like that. It's just weird. The other disc looks like it's got the same sort of scoring from bedding in, but if I remember from last time I checked, there's no oily residue and no brake dust either. So strange, but I'll clean up the pads and then see what the result is. So I've cleaned up the disc, with some brake cleaner, and the pads I cleaned, but also put them on the bench grinder just to skim some thickness off them and try and take away any uneven areas. Now I actually regret that because the bench grinder has went really deep in some parts, even though I only had it on there for a split second. There's probably now deeper grooves than what there was in the first place, but I did try and put a leading edge on the pads to make it a bit easier for them to get contact and not squeal or anything. So all that's left now is to try that on the bike, give it like 50-100 miles and see how they perform. If they're still really bad at that after that, I'm going to look at getting new pads, which I didn't want to do, seeing as there is so much life left in these, but needs must. If it's going to be a track bike, it needs to be able to stop quickly. So yeah, thanks for watching.